Hi all, good morning. Today we are uh, going to check how we can debug using the web Chrome web developer tools. Okay, so let's go through it. Okay, so let's start with it. How we can debug in the Chrome. So actually, as we know that we need to open the web developer tools for it, right? So how we can open that? First, we need to go to the setting bar, more tools, and then developer tools. Okay, let me show you in the browsers. This is the setting bar. Click on the more tools and then developer tools, and there is a shortcut it Control C plus I. Okay, so I'm clicking on it. Oh, now web developer tools is open. Fine. This is a console where the any JavaScript error can easily visible. Fine. Let me show you the another option for debugging. Okay, one more is icon shortcut Control plus C plus I. This is just for your information. You can open the web developer tools using the shortcut Control plus C plus I, and then last is right click plus inspect. So this is not only thing that you can inspect only your website, but you can inspect any of the website. Okay, so what you need to do is open any web page and right click then inspect. Okay, so it will open the web developer tools. Okay, now our topic is debugging JavaScript in the Chrome web developer tools. Okay, so today we have one page of Google from the Google server. Okay, and this demo is regarding to addition of two numbers. One is number one and one is number two. When we click on this button, it will addition of it. Okay, so let me show you that which kind of JavaScript Google have written. Okay, first question will come in mind that from where we can open the JavaScript. We need to go to the source tab, then this get started is a HTML page we are seeing, and this is a get started.js. Okay, here button have bind event, click to the on click method, so there will be a function on click function, and there is a one condition input are empty, and first it will check both are not empty, then we can proceed for addition. But if it is if any of it is not filled, then it will show error on one or both are empty. Okay, let's check with it. Oh, okay, now you can see we get the error on one or both inputs are empty. Okay, so it's coming from here. Okay, but what we need to learn is how we can debug it. Okay, so I'm showing you. Let me put one more things. Okay, now the addition value should be a 30, not 1020. Here 10 plus 20 equal to 1020. So as we know, as a JavaScript, we know the JavaScript basics, so we know that this is a string summation, not a number summation. Okay, so problem is that both are taken as a string, but actually we don't know where exactly the problem is. So what we need to do is we need to do debug. So to debug, we need to put a debug point. Okay, so on the line where you want to put a debug point, you need to click on that line number. So I want to debug starting from here. First we need to check that value is taking proper or not. So I will start from here. So on 20 line number I am clicking on. Okay, so you can see the breakpoint is added on the line number. Okay, now when you are doing this as a first when you are adding a debug point, you need to refresh the page, so it will taken as the next time. Okay, so 10, 20 and clicking. Now you can see it is coming on our debug point. Okay, now how we can get the values, how we can check what is the value on. Okay, so here what we'll do, there are the 2-3 steps. We can go step over the next function call, it is F10. So we need to keep in mind that there is a shortcut is F10 of this. If we click on it, it will go to the next line. Okay, then we can check the what is the value we get. It is a 10, but you can see this is as a string. Okay, let's go to the next line. It is a 20. Now if we do the summation of it in the console, what will happen? It is a 1020, right? So what we need to do is we need to make as a parse in it. So it will convert into number. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, we can see the value is now 30. So we need to solve here. We need to change this equation and we need to change it to the parse init like this. Okay, I'm copying this from console to the source. Now let's resume this and we are changing this line. Okay, one more benefit of the Google Chrome debugging tool is we can do the local modification. What? Local modification. So we can easily change anything in the browser itself. You don't need to go on your web page and need to change and need to reload that resource to the browser and need to check. So here first we need to solve the issue over here only, then we can copy this JavaScript to the our JavaScript method. Okay, so here I have changed to the parse init. Okay, and I am doing the Control S, or you can click save as. Okay, now it is stored in the debugger tools. Okay, it means it's stored in the browser for now. Now we can change the values. Okay, and clicking on this, but I have removed this breakpoint, so we are not getting, but let's debug it. Okay, now next line, it's 10 again, it's in string, and now see there are the two method parse in it. Now see, oh sorry, now what is the value of sum? It's 40. 10 plus 30 equal to 40, and label added as a 40. Okay, so we get the value as a 40. So this is a very simple thing that we can do with the JavaScript changes, local modification, and easily debug with the Chrome web developer tools. So this is a very easy. Let me comment if anything you didn't get on my videos. Okay, thanks for watching this video.